Imagine waking up one day and instead of stressing over bills or rushing off to work, you finally feel a sense of freedom. Real financial freedom. You're free to travel wherever you want, take that spontaneous road trip, or even just relax at home without worrying about your next paycheck. You could spend quality time with family and friends, or dive into that hobby you've always put off because you were too busy. Now, I know that might sound too good to be true, but it doesn't have to stay a dream. The truth is, building passive income for life is possible, and it doesn't require winning the lottery or having a six-figure salary. What if I told you there's a way to start with just a few smart moves? No complex financial jargon, no risky bets, just a straightforward plan that lets your money grow and work for you. And that's where Vanguard ETFs come in. They're more than just investment options. They're like a roadmap to financial independence. With Vanguard's low-cost, diversified funds, you don't need to be a financial expert or have a ton of cash. You just need the willingness to take that first step. So, if you've ever dreamed of a life where your finances aren't a constant worry, let's explore how these ETFs could be your ticket to getting there. Vanguard ETFs are known for their low fees, diverse options, and solid track record. They are one of the most reliable ways to grow your wealth steadily. In a world filled with financial tactics, these ETFs stand out as a set-and-forget investment, one that doesn't require constant modification, but still provides lifetime passive income. When it comes to building sustainable, lifetime passive income, there's one powerful strategy that stands above the rest, and I'll share it as a bonus tip at the end. This strategy, which we'll call the secret to exponential growth, is a game changer that can take your investment journey to new heights. Today, we'll explore 5 Vanguard ETFs that could help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms, plus an extra bonus at the end to boost your ETF investment returns. 1. Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIG. The Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG, is designed for those who want to invest in companies that have a proven track record of not just paying dividends, but increasing them year after year. These companies have steadily performed well, and they're sharing that success with their shareholders by boosting the dividends they pay out over time. When a company regularly raises its dividends, it's usually a sign that the business is financially healthy. These companies often have strong earnings, a steady cash flow, and a good management team in place. They're not just handing out money for the sake of it, they're doing it because their business is growing, and they can afford to share more profits with their investors. This steady growth in dividends is a big deal because it helps your income keep pace with inflation. As the cost of living goes up over time, so does the amount of money you receive from these dividends. You're not stuck with the same paycheck every year. Instead, your income from VIG can grow along with the businesses in the ETF, giving you a bit of a raise each time those dividends increase. If you're finding the video informative so far, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who need this info. And if you're ready to start building your financial future, hit subscribe and turn on the notifications. Let's get back to unlocking those passive income secrets. 2. Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ. Real estate has long been recognized as a powerful avenue for generating passive income. However, the traditional route of buying and managing properties can often be costly and time-consuming, requiring significant effort and resources. This is where the Vanguard Real Estate ETF, known as VNQ, comes into play, offering a more hands-off solution. VNQ invests in a diverse array of real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing properties. These can range from office buildings and apartment complexes to shopping centers and healthcare facilities. By investing in VNQ, you get to tap into the potential benefits of real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. One of the standout advantages of VNQ is its ability to provide steady cash flow from dividends, which are generated by the rental income these properties produce. Additionally, there's the potential for appreciation, meaning your investment can grow over time as property values increase. Essentially, VNQ allows you to have a slice of the entire real estate market within your investment portfolio, enabling you to enjoy the rewards of real estate investing without the stress of managing properties directly. It's a smart way to build wealth and achieve passive income. 3. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. For anyone looking to gain broad exposure to the stock market, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, is an excellent choice. VTI encompasses the entire US stock market, including small, mid, and large cap companies. This diversification means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you're spreading your investment across thousands of companies, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. What makes VTI very interesting is its simplicity and growth potential. By investing in VTI, you essentially own a piece of the entire market. This positions you to benefit from long-term upward trends as the US economy grows and companies expand. As these businesses increase, the value of your investment increases, providing you with a consistent source of passive income over time. With VTI, you can enjoy the rewards of market growth without the stress of selecting individual stocks. It's a smart, straightforward way to build wealth. Let's take a moment to think about what your life would look like if you didn't have to worry about your finances. Imagine being able to retire early, travel around the world, or simply enjoy a comfortable life without stress. This isn't just about making more money, it's about buying back your time. With these Vanguard ETFs, that dream is closer than you think. 4. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM. The Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM, is perfect for those who want to focus on large-cap companies that pay above-average dividends. This makes it a favorite among investors who are looking for regular income. Unlike growth stocks that typically reinvest their earnings to expand the business, the companies in VYM share a significant portion of their profits with shareholders through dividends. What makes VYM particularly appealing is its balance of stability and income potential. By investing in a diverse range of companies, VYM helps protect your investment. While some sectors may face challenges, others can perform well, which helps keep your income steady. This means that even if one part of the market struggles, you still have the potential for income from other areas. With VYM, you can enjoy the benefits of consistent payouts while benefiting from a well-diversified portfolio, making it a smart choice for income-focused investors. 5. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND. Finally, let's discuss the role of bonds in your investment strategy. While stocks can offer impressive growth, they also come with higher risks, especially during market downturns. The Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND, provides a way to balance your portfolio with fixed income securities, which are generally more stable and less volatile. BND gives you exposure to a broad range of US government and investment-grade corporate bonds, allowing you to earn reliable income even when the stock market experiences fluctuations. This makes it an excellent addition for anyone looking to create a well-rounded investment plan. By including bonds, you're really adding a safety net to your portfolio, helping to protect your overall investment from market turbulence. With BND, you can ensure that your passive income continues to flow smoothly, providing you with peace of mind and stability, regardless of what happens in the stock market. Investing in Vanguard ETFs isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it's a smart and reliable way to work towards financial freedom. Think of it as planting seeds today that will bear fruit for years to come. This approach enables you to enjoy life without the burden of financial stress or the worry of how to pay the bills. It's about building a sustainable income stream that grows over time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, whether that's spending quality time with family, traveling, or pursuing your passions. By carefully selecting a range of ETFs that focus on both growth and income, you're setting yourself up for a robust investment strategy that prioritizes both wealth accumulation and financial security. This thoughtful approach to building a passive income stream allows you to enjoy a more secure financial future, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your terms. Ultimately, harnessing the power of compounding alongside a well-rounded investment strategy can pave the way for lasting financial success. If you're ready to start paving your path to passive income for life, consider these 5 Vanguard ETFs as your foundation. Each one offers unique benefits and can play a vital role in your overall investment strategy. Making that first step towards a more secure future can feel intimidating, but it's essential to act and commit to your financial goals. The bonus. Remember I promised you a bonus? That bonus is nothing but compounding. When it comes to building a sustainable lifetime passive income, the power of compounding plays a crucial role that can't be overstated. Compounding is essentially the process of earning returns on both your initial investment and the earnings that accumulate over time. By reinvesting the dividends and interest earned from these ETFs, you can significantly enhance your wealth, allowing it to grow exponentially over the years. This strategy emphasizes that it's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you and creating a cycle of growth that can lead to substantial financial freedom. Imagine watching your investment not only grow from the contributions you make, but also multiply due to the dividends and interest being reinvested. Over time, this can lead to a snowball effect, where your wealth increases more rapidly as each cycle of compounding builds upon itself. The earlier you start this process, the more pronounced the effects of compounding will be, reinforcing the idea that time is one of your greatest allies in investing. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from learning about passive income strategies. Let's spread the word about the power of smart investing together. The more we share, the more we empower ourselves and others to achieve financial independence.